A health monitoring app is created by doctors for their patients. Patients can access the app on the computer, smartphone, or within a chat window. App Designer is based on what you see is what you get philosophy, and zero coding knowledge is required. Let's open a vitals page created by the doctor for recording heart rate, temperature, blood pressure, and glucose reading. The same page can be seen in different layouts. Control panels on the left help design the page by a simple drag and drop of UI components to the canvas and by changing their attributes to the desired values. As we can see, selecting a text control on the page displays text control properties. The Bluevin menu helps us invoke different builders such as Page, Chart, and Slideshow Builder. Integrated content management can be accessed from MindDrive. Once the page is built, its look and feel can be validated using Preview in different layouts and within a chatbot. With Bluevin, NLP-driven apps can be created and launched in less than a day.